Hey there and welcome to another tutorial on how to add a blog to your website. My name is Uwe. I'm the founder of BlogHandy, a simple tool to add a beautiful looking blog, an SEO optimized blog, very important, to your existing website. We work with any website builder or landing page builder there is, and today we're going to look at Instapage and learn exactly how to add a blog to your Instapage landing page. Now, Instapage is a great tool if you want to create some landing pages, if you want to convert your Facebook traffic or any other traffic to a landing page and you want to offer them some services or products. Have a look at the website, and once you're ready, sign up. I've already signed up for my account, and here it is. I'm also logged into my BlogHandy account. I'm going to my dashboard, because that's exactly where I have to be in a moment. And let's go back to Instapage. Right, I'm under landing pages, and let's click on create page. You obviously can choose any of these templates and add your offer. If it's a product you're selling, if it's some course you're running, whatever you're doing. Just for simplicity, I'm now creating a blank page, but obviously you might add any of these templates. So I click on blank page and I just call it like a BlogHandy tutorial blog. Okay, right. Let's click on create. And okay, the page is created. I need to click on it. And then I have to click on edit design. And this would be your landing page with your offer, maybe with a countdown, maybe with some other call to action to subscribe to your website or to download an ebook. So now here you have to find on the left hand side, let me just move this a bit, at the bottom, the last one, this HTML. Just click on it. I just have to click on it. All right, let me put this bubble away. And now this is where my HTML content will be loaded. That's very important. Now the first thing I do is I click on edit. I go to BlogHandy, and on the dashboard under code snippet, I copy this code from step 1. I go back to my Instapage builder. I paste this and I go back to BlogHandy, and now I copy paste the second code. This is our JavaScript engine to load all the information, and this is a code that BlogHandy knows where to actually put the content. All right, so I put this here and I click on done. And now one thing I want to do is I want to change the size of this box, because right now it's quite small, and let's say I put it to here and to here. That's an important step. I can show you in a moment why. Let me show you now why. Look, have a look here. Now I click on preview, and what you will see is a tiny block. All right, do you see? Because this is a tiny block. Now we go back, we make this bigger, we click on preview, and voila, that's the block we wanted to load. This is our blog title. We can remove that in BlogHandy. These are the different categories I have in my account. You can also completely remove them, or you can add a search bar. I will show you in a moment. And here you have your blog posts. In the preview mode, you can't actually click on the blog post. It will just show you that it didn't work. This is an issue just with the way the preview mode works. So I'll just show you how to check that everything worked out fine. So we're happy with this. We just close the preview. Click on save. Everything is saved. Okay, and now exit the builder. All right, okay, this is a screenshot of it all. And now go to the bottom right, publish experience. And now most likely you would publish it probably on your WordPress site, on your custom domain, most likely on your custom domain. But just for these demo purposes, I will publish it under Instapage's pagedemo.co subdomain. And I will just give it the subdomain BlogHandy tutorial. Okay, click on publish, confirm, and now we have it here published. So I can just click on it, and here's our blog. All right, and now when you, for example, click on the blog post, it will be loaded, and I can go back, it will be loaded, and so on. What you can do is you can go to BlogHandy settings. There's one more step you have to do actually, which is copy paste the URL. So this is a page demo, but you know, this would be your website, and you paste it here under blog URL, and you just click on save all changes. This is just important for the back button and a few other functionalities within BlogHandy that they fully work. And what you then also can do, if you want, you can, for example, change your design. And that's a beautiful thing about BlogHandy. You literally just click on this. Okay, it's updated, got it. And now you go back, you refresh your page, and instantly it has been updated, which is just a very nice way of trying out different designs for your blog. I really like the pop grid, so that's the one I go normally for. Our standard one is a modern grid. You can also check the demo or the preview here, and you can see all the different templates, how they should be looking and behaving. And if you want to do further customization, you can always go down and go to custom CSS, and you can add some custom codes there if you want your H1 or H2 heading smaller or larger or anything like that. I hope this helped you. BlogHandy works with any landing page builder, website builder, or any website whatsoever. If you need any help, if you don't use Instapages and you use some other landing page builder or website builder, let me know about it. I'm happy to create a video for you. Thanks a lot and happy blogging.